Hello from AlphaCars, from our new location in Acton, Massachusetts. Today we're going to show you 2007, an amazing Mercedes S550. I just opened all the doors, hood and trunk. We're going to take a look at the interior details, and then we'll look at the rest of the car, exterior paint finishes, and the wheels, brakes, and so forth. This car has only 27,000 miles. It just went through our shop and it's in amazing condition. It certainly represents a true Mercedes quality that you expect from the S-Class and from AlphaCars. We deliver pre-owned cars in amazing condition with the lowest mileage possible at a very, very affordable price, and they represent a great value. When I look at the back seats, at the front seats, at the carpet, sill plates, armrest, anything that usually has some wear and tear, this car doesn't have that. It definitely has the characteristics of extremely low mileage automobile. With the Continental Pro Contact tires at about 90% left, they're almost brand new tires. It drives beautiful on the road. The V8, very smooth V8 engine on this one runs very nice. We're going to start it up and you can hear it. While we're inside, we're going to look at the dashboard. The wood is in beautiful condition. The switches, all the buttons, the steering wheel, the leather is in impeccable condition. Armrests, all the stitching on the leather, just simply amazing. Bolster has actually no wear. And the engine sounds beautiful. Glove box, full set of owner's manuals. Trunk is in very, very good condition. There are no imperfections here. We'll look at the rest of the car. The side panels on the left side are excellent. There are no imperfections. Front bumper looks excellent. Grille, headlamps, the headlamps are not faded. The chrome looks very, very nice. The right side of the vehicle is equally as nice. There are no dents, chips, or dings on the vehicle. The roof looks very nice, and the rims are in very good condition. And the car drives beautiful. I had it on the road and can speak for it very accurately. Thank you for viewing this video from AlphaCars, our location in Acton, Massachusetts.